Hey, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm making a steel run, and I thought maybe you want to go along for a ride with me. So I used to haul steel just for a little spare income, but I haven't done it for a while. But in the midst of cleaning up my leftover stuff and my dad's, since he's passed away, because he had a lot of steel over the years, still got a few more loads to haul and get out of here. So come along, I'll show you what the steel yard looks like a little bit and what happens when you unload some steel to make a little extra money. Now in this particular case, this is just scrap steel. There's nothing of any real value here. Let's see, I'll expand out. You know, I got some pool liners. I do have the propane tanks that are handled a little bit differently, but other than that, it's just scrap junk steel. It's the the lowest man on the totem pole when it comes to getting rid of steel and how much money you get. I just kind of give you an idea of what we have in there. Junky steel stuff. Now there's some other stuff that you can, like heavier steel, like these big beams here now, but they'd pay even more if they're shorter pieces. That's why it's not on this particular load. That stuff will be for another load, some of this here. Anyways, let's get going. Get this unloaded, get home for another project. All right, I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me, but we are off to the steel yard. All right, we're coming up on the scrap yard here. First is pulling up onto the scales. We got to give our information to the attendant there. I won't show anybody's face for their privacy. And then we'll go into the yard to dispose of our steel. Hello. I got all scrap except for I have 4 propane tanks with the valves removed. All right, thanks a lot. Now we're going to go up here, as you can see, and we will unload back up to the pile. We'll unload. I'll turn the camera around. You see there's a lot of stuff that's brought in here. Trailer trucks with loads of stuff, everything. Alright, so we're unloaded, and now head back out, find out what our empty weight is, and then they'll give us a slip. Pull forward a little bit here, put my tailgate back up. Go. Alright, so like I said, now we just gotta get back on the scale, see what we weigh, and it should give us a check for whatever it was. And again, this is the lowest grade stuff. That's everything. All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Yep. Bye-bye. Load of metal, which wasn't really huge. $29, just short of $29. They give you a breakdown too. Steel, you'd have a breakdown of what you had on. But I only have one kind on, just the junky stuff. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna just head back home and call it good.